Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu states, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam was brought a Jewish man and a woman who had committed adultery. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam went to the Jewish scholars and asked them, "What does the Torah say about those who commit adultery?" They replied, "We blacken their faces and settle them on a mount, turn their faces to opposite directions, and then they are taken round the locality." He sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, "Bring the Torah if you are truthful." They fetched the Torah, and when they started reading it, a man placed his hand on the verse of stoning and started reading its next and previous part. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam was accompanied by Hazrat Abdullah bin Salam radiyallahu anhu. He radiyallahu anhu submitted to him, asked him to raise his hand. When he removed his hand, there was the words of stoning to death under it. Then both of them were stoned to death as per the command of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu says that he was among those people who stoned them to death. I saw that man shielding her with his body against the stones. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4412.